5:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitlettville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Altona, Malone, Ellenberg Depot, Jericho, Chattagay, Dannemora, Lion Mountain, Burke, Merrill, Ellenberg, Constable, Irona, Scioto, Shazy Lake, West Beekmantown, Morrisonville, Katyville, Ellenberg Center, Chasm Falls, and Woodsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a safe boating message from the National Safe Boating Council and the National Weather Service. The effects of alcohol and drugs are just as hazardous on the water as on land. Boating under the influence or the affects judgment, vision.
My phone was being dumb while trying to record this SVR. Thank you, iPhone 7 Plus! And, why is the Recom R1650 light not flashing? There you go. I don't want your alarm on. First SVR KBS508 of the year. And the phone was being dumb! You weren't activating correctly. You went off delayed. Worst possible capture I can ever get. I'm mad. I am mad. I'm really mad right now. I'm really mad. That went off for an SVR. The 74-200 went off. First header. The FR37... did it go off correctly? It did. It went off on header first. But of course my phone was being gay! And that's Yoshi Fan 115 on the phone in the background. I am really mad. I was expecting to get a perfect activation video, but the phone was being dumb. And of course I just screw it! Screw you, iPhone 7. You can go... You know what? God. This is why I want to get a new phone. It's because this phone has so many problems. This thing's been giving me problems ever since I've ever started recording. I swear to God, I need to get a new phone. And y'all, and yes guys, you can hear me yapping about me having a terrible phone. It literally is a terrible phone. The battery's degraded. Everything on it is garbage. Besides the camera. But the camera app and everything sucks. Look at that. My battery's degraded. It says I'm at 10% and I was at 20 earlier.
I was literally about to say, honestly, maybe you should get a new phone.
Yeah, I need to, but I'm too poor to afford a new phone. Well, I'm glad I got an SVR, but of course my phone was being dumb! And the alert works activated on the second header. Like it's always been doing! At this point, I'm just complaining. It doesn't even look like a severe storm, so it's probably gonna disappear. But, oh, and look at that. Discord just crashed on my Android. I am not surprised. I really need to get new devices right now. My devices are literally struggling. Like, all of my devices are struggling right now. Like, of course it's for Eastern Clinton. A place that my station doesn't even turn out for. What is this? Nope! Franklin Victor! I wish my storm looked like that.
Of course, it's the wrong Franklin. It's supposed to be the one from New York, not Vermont.
Well, let's see. We do have... Oh, get out of my way, you stupid idiot. We do have a chance of storms down near Jefferson and Lewis, so... But it doesn't look like it's gonna hit them. But it does say on here...
Oh, of course, it's not loading.
There we go. Let's wind it back a little bit. See those storms start to get strong, and hopefully I will be capturing those. This frickin' part of the frickin' video has sucked. Like, the rest of this video is just me just talking and yelling about my phone being dumb, and how these storms are literally not gonna hit me, and probably not even gonna hit me, and that this was my probably only chance of getting an SVR. Alright, well, I'm gonna stop yapping, and I'm gonna end this freaking video. Screw this phone.